Hey, what's up? It's Mike DeVries. Today we're talking about MD Wipeout's new and improved cleansing tattoo wipes. In today's world, it's all about efficiency, and that's exactly what our new tattoo wipes are made for. Artists can now save time by not dealing with squirt bottles, mixing soaps, and sitting around wetting paper towels. These wipes are an all-in-one, ready-to-use wipe solution for artists during the process and for clients for tattoo aftercare. They're designed for all body art practitioners, tattoo, permanent makeup, and SMP artists. When it comes to tattoo aftercare and cleaning fresh ink, it does not get any easier than this. You can literally clean fresh tattoos anywhere, anytime. No need to find soap, towels, or even a sink. Just wipe it down and go about your day. Our antimicrobial formula is gentle on skin and tough on germs, made to clean skin without causing irritation. They're also made with soothing ingredients and help relieve that itchy discomfort. Each pack contains 40 extra large wipes, 8 by 6.5 inches. They're now made from 100% biodegradable plant-based fibers. They're alcohol, fragrance, and paraben-free. They're vegan and also proudly made in the United States. Pro tip, for small tattoos, only pull out a few wipes at a time and stash the pack in your cart. Just pull out more if you need more. For longer sessions like a full day, pull out a pack, throw it in your work area, and enjoy 40 pre-saturated wipes all day. They're also handy for cleaning your arms, your hands, and even your shoes at the end of a session. MD Wipeout's cleansing tattoo wipes are designed for artists and clients to experience a more efficient tattoo process. Add these wipes into your workflow, try them out, and you'll wonder how you ever got away without using them before. Find them on our website, Amazon, or ask your local supplier.